with the railroad I work for. This one guy kept getting into some stupid situations where he was underneath the moving train trying to move rocks by hand. Now to me, and I would hope most of you, common sense would dictate that you don't want to be underneath a moving train, even if it's moving at 0.5 miles an hour. This guy wasn't very bright, to say the least. After 4 or 10 times of telling this fool to back off, I finally looked at him and told him to go home. You're fired. So he packed up and left. About 4 hours later, his actual supervisor shows up and asks where he went. I told him I didn't know. All his other employees burst out laughing and ratted me out. The conductor fired him. So I think I'm in trouble, so I try to explain why I didn't want him near my train, and the guy stops me and thanks me. I've been trying to fire him for some time and just needed a good excuse. And our second story for today. Manager reveals illegal hiring practices when mistaking me for an applicant. Names have been altered out of consideration for the business owner. I'm a bit older. I've got grandkids in high school, let's put it that way. So I've been especially cautious about staying home during the COVID-19 pandemic. Part of that has unfortunately meant indefinitely cutting out my regular trips to the gym. So I invested in a couple of pieces of equipment for my house. I purchased them from a local fitness retailer who I'd selected in part because of their generous warranty and repairs agreement. But then one of the machines broke. I called them up and all of a sudden they were a lot more difficult to get on the phone than they were during the sales process. Wouldn't commit to a repair date, technicians never in, customer service always putting me on hold for ridiculous amounts of time, even though it was just a small local store. Just endless. Finally, I decided to go over and sort it out in person. At this point, our state was only just beginning to open up, so things like fitness equipment stores weren't seeing a surge of foot traffic yet, and I was surprised to find about a dozen cars parked in the lot. Mostly lifted trucks and Jeeps with Punisher stickers and similar embellishments. I figured that made sense for the kind of clientele whose first order of business after a nationwide shutdown would be to get to the gym equipment store. I didn't really think much else of it at the time. I was just coming from a full morning of Zoom meetings, so I was wearing a business-appropriate attire. Dress pants, pearls, knit turtleneck, the works. I came in and saw a line of buff, meaty guys lingering around near the counter, looking as though they'd just come from work and figured they too were waiting to talk to customer service. They looked surprised to see me, but I figured it was because most old people are staying put right now if they can help it. I gave a polite wave and otherwise kept my distance. After a few moments, I realized the employees were calling the buff, meaty guys by name and taking them to a back office to deal with their concerns. And I figured it was a social distancing measure. So I went over to a guy wearing a store uniform calling names and asked, "Excuse me, do I have to take a ticket or get my name on a list or something?" He seemed surprised too, but again, I chalked it up to age. He said to wait a minute. I asked if I should get started on any paperwork. A lot of other guys were filling things out, and I figured they were claims related to repairs or other information I'd need to provide to expedite the process. But he just kept insisting I wait there. Meanwhile, a more senior guy kept surfacing every few minutes, calling for people to come talk to him in the back. "Brett, Tony." But then the more junior guy pulled him to the side and pointed me out. I waved. The more senior guy came over and asked, "Hi, ma'am, you sure you're in the right place?" And I replied, "Oh, definitely. I've been planning to come down here all week." And he said, "Well, all right then, we can chat right now. You want to come back? You ready?" The beefy guys were exchanging some puzzled looks, but I thought it was because I was jumping the queue. I assumed they were prioritizing me because I was at the highest risk. I said, "Oh, that's sweet of you, but these men were here before me. I'm fine to wait. Why don't you just give me any requisite paperwork to take care of in the meantime?" But he just shook his head, going, "Well, before you fill anything out, why don't we talk first?" And off we went. I sat down in a small back office across from these two men at a desk. It seemed like quite the to-do over scheduling a simple repair, but I figured this was life in the new normal. So they looked at each other as though neither quite knew what to say, and